Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Church Media Creative. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Olu. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to remove caution or warning signs from your backgrounds in Easyworship. Let's dive right in. Open your Easyworship application, go to the Media tab, right-click and select Import New Video File. Choose any video file to import. If you notice caution or warning sign and the video only shows a black background when you try to play it, here is how to fix it. Delete the video file showing the warning sign by right-clicking on it and selecting Delete. Next, right-click again and select Open File Location. This will open the folder containing your video files. Keep this folder window open. Open File Manager by pressing the Windows button on your keyboard or clicking on the Windows logo on your taskbar. Then type File Manager. Locate the video you want to import. Copy and paste or drag it into the folder you opened earlier. Close the File Manager and return to Easyworship. Your video should now be ready to use. The same process works for image file. Simply repeat the steps and you will be good to go. Now, if you need a background pack, I'm going to be dropping a link in the description below. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe to our channel. It really supports us. Thanks for watching. For enquiries, use the WhatsApp link in the description below. See you in our next video.